Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that my city was hit by a pretty big storm that also included 2 tornadoes, so that was a fun time. And luckily enough, I already had a Sketchbook Sunday video ready, but I was planning on like sitting and working on my main video over the weekend and like Monday evening and like Tuesday before my shift, just slowly chip away at it. But yeah, there was no power and we decided to ditch this place because we did not even have water. And it was really not a fun time. If we at least had water, that would have been a lot better, but yeah. So yeah, that was my weekend. We're all alright, no one died, which is really nice. Well, I heard a lot of people got hurt, but I mean, shit, I don't think anyone died, so that's good. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. I just wanted to make a video, letting you guys know that that's why this is such a such a quick video, because I like to make something more finished, usually. But yeah, sorry if I'm going a little quiet. There's like people outside and I don't want them to judge me. So yeah. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say, I guess. It was definitely just strange. And they have a generator that only powers the lights, which is weird to me. Like, I feel like you should probably include the water pump. I mean, I don't know how much power a water pump uses, but I think that would be excuse me, I think that would be a pretty good thing to have on the generator too, so yeah. Alright, well, I guess I'll just end it here. This will just be like a shorter video, but like I said, I just wanted to let you guys know why there's no actual Wednesday video. But I'll still see you guys Sunday, and everything is going to return back to normal as of Sunday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Sunday.